Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. I'm going to be preparing some Seekh Kababs. This is very nice and tasty and it turned out so authentic and very juicy. So let's get started. Here I've got mutton keema that I washed twice and drained it in a colander. Now I've taken small portions of that mutton keema, added it to a mixer jar and pulsed it twice. So it is nice and smooth. It is ground nice and smooth. You can see the texture. It is nice and smooth. The other one is nice and grainy. So we want a smooth texture. Add small portions and grind it. Just pulse it twice. That's it. Now I've reserved the mutton keema. Here I've got some dried coconut powder, some fenugreek and chaat masala. I've added some chilies, mint, coriander, everything to a mixer jar. I've also added chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, kitchen king masala and meat masala. Both are from Everest. I've added one small onion, ginger and garlic paste and red food coloring. That's optional, up to you. If you're using degi mirch or Kashmiri mirch, you don't need red food coloring, but that's up to you. You can add it or leave it. Now without adding water, you have to grind all of this to a smooth consistency. It has to match that meat consistency. So that's the, we don't want a coarse masala. Grind it as smooth as possible. Then add that masala to the meat along with some salt, and you have to knead this. Now this is a very tricky thing that I want to tell. Once you mix the masala, you'll feel that it's mixed well, but it is not mixed well. You have to knead it in the meat. So do this for 15 minutes at least. The meat will also form elasticity. It will not be soft and tender. Like if you form a ball, it has to form a ball and it will have that elasticity. So that's what I'm showing you here after 15 minutes. Now we'll cover this and place this in the refrigerator and allow this to marinate. So this is a very important step, friends. You have to follow this. The meat has to marinate for 30 minutes minimum. Now once this is marinated, and also you can see it's not sticking to my hands. So once this is marinated, I've heated a charcoal on the flame, and once the charcoal is nice and red hot, I've removed it and placed it in a bowl and placed the bowl in the meat. So I use this bowl to prepare smoked meats. You keep that bowl for charcoal only. Don't use it for other purpose. Now add some ghee, cover it and allow the meat to smoke in this charcoal for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I've removed the charcoal piece and I started to knead the meat. So in 2 minutes, the meat will be ready. Now using a bamboo skewer, or you can you can use the way I'm using a chopstick here, and I started to form the Seekh Kababs. I took a small roundel and I spread it on the bamboo skewer to form the Seekh Kabab. Now I've heated a skillet on medium flame and I've transferred the kebabs gently on the skillet, and I'm going to grill it for 2 minutes on each side. I've also used very less oil to prepare the Seekh Kababs. You can use ghee and oil combination. That also gives you a very nice flavor. It gives you that authentic hotel sort of restaurant flavor. So now once these sheikhs are placed, I'm just going to add some oil on top and cover this and cook it. Just because I cannot use a charcoal grill, I'm doing all this, smoking the meat and preparing it on a stove top. But if you do have a charcoal grill, form the sheikhs and place it on the charcoal grill and grill it. You will get wonderful sheikhs. So now you can see the sheikhs are nicely grilling. I'm going to be adding some oil. I'll also grill this on the stove top next, because once it's cooked, it will be done. So now here you can see there is a lot of moisture that is oozing out from the meat. Gently I kept turning it every 2 minutes and I started to grill it. When you're doing this on the smoke, like on a charcoal grill itself, all these juices will drop in that smoke and it will form a lot of smoke and it will be very smoky. So my apartment does not allow that. So that's the reason I'm forming all these sheikhs and trying to grill it on the pan and then grill it on the stove using a grill rack. So that works for me. So here you can see all the sheikhs are ready. I'll remove from the flame, and I also prepped all the ingredients required for the Seekh rolls, that is paratha, mint chutney, some onion, and limes. Here you can see I've heated a grill rack and I'm grilling these sheiks on the grill rack for 2 minutes on each side. Once it is grilled, I'll remove from the flame and I'll serve it. It gives that very nice authentic restaurant style sheikh kebabs. So try it. It's very nice and tasty. Here I've served my sheikh kebabs. Just sprinkle some chaat masala and some coriander leaves and you can serve it. I also prepared these sheikh rolls in a very simple way using Kerala paratha, and then I placed the sheiks inside along with chopped onions and mint chutney. Hope you all enjoyed this video, friends. Until all the ingredients and links will be mentioned in the description box below this video. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching.